Homemade soap, probably from cooking it over a campfire in colonial days, has a reputation for being very harsh. So I wanted to show you a litmus test here that will demonstrate that our soap is about the same as commercial soap. A range of 5.5 to 10, which is off this scale, is perfectly safe for use. What you do is you take a piece of litmus testing paper or a few drops of phenolphthalein and put a little water there and rub your soap over it. Now this is soap we just made, so this even hasn't had a chance to cure. And you can see that our commercial bar and some bars that have completely cured are about an 8.0 on the pH range scale, and our new bar, you can see that's a little darker, is probably a 9 or even a 10 on this scale. Even this would be relatively safe for you to use. As this cures, the pH will neutralize and come down to somewhere in this range or maybe even lower for this bar, since this is so raw at this point. This is one technique out of many for decorating your beautiful new soaps. I'm going to use paraffin fat wax to paint these leaves that we've dried onto our newly made bars. I put a layer of wax here, drop the leaf on. That holds the leaf on. Now I'm going to take and put a thin layer of paraffin over the top. I hope you've enjoyed this class and that it is an encouragement for you to go out and make your own soap.